So this is a matte arched single handle faucet. These also do come in different colors. I like it because it does not use a lot of water and it doesn't spill out. So that's the main reason. We also got this. This is a pop-up drain with a strainer. You press this, it drains it, and if there was any debris or anything, it would get stuck right in there.
Stay tuned for the whole video.
Hey guys, if you're considering upgrading your kitchen faucet, it's probably one of the best and cheapest things that you can do for the value of your home. So this is a matte arched single handle faucet. It's made of brass. The water runs straight down. It does not trickle out, which is a huge plus. It's got a base here.
The ceramic valve core has resistance to aging and wear. When you turn the faucet handle, you feel the resistance. The faucet has a water-saving bubble sprinkler. The water flow has soft bubbles, so there's no splash.
I like it because it does not use a lot of water and it doesn't spill out. So that's the main reason. Now to install this, it came with everything that you need to install it.
The installation is very easy. You screw in hot and cold water lines into the faucet. Put the main body of the faucet through the hole in your sink and tighten the lock nut underneath the sink. Put the cover on if you have additional holes, otherwise you can skip this part. Connect the hot and cold water sources and turn on the water, and that's all there is to it. You may use Teflon tape if you want, but you don't have to.
We also got this. This is a pop-up drain with a strainer, and the way this works is it comes as a one full piece with a tube here that attaches to your plumbing, and the tube is right here. So very easy to install. Again, you just unscrew this part. There's a metal piece, you unscrew that. This whole assembly will just come off. You place this down, you put a little plumber's putty underneath if you want to, just to add additional leakage protection, and then you just tighten it up from underneath and you plug it into the rest of your PVC piping. So again, very easy. I'm going to show you how the pop-up drain works. So again, you press it down, that locks it in, and make sure that the water actually does not drain. So the water is going to sit here. You press this, it drains it, and if there was any debris or anything, it would get stuck right in there. Let me show you what this looks like in chrome. So here we are in another bathroom, and this is a more of a brighter color, and this is the chrome version. And of course, it works the same way. By the way, I forgot that you can also buy it with a cover. So this cover is because there is additionally holes here because it was hot water, warm water, and then the spout, the faucet was actually in the center. So this actually covers the old holes. And the other one also came with a black version of this. This also comes in gloss black, chrome, brushed nickel, absolutely any color you can imagine. And again, no spillage. So that's the video. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with your purchases.